September 23rd marked the 236th anniversary of the Battle of Flamborough Head. USS Bonhomme Richard, commanded by Captain John Paul Jones, engaged in an epic sea battle with the HMS Serapis, commanded by Captain Richard Pearson. The battle began around 6 p.m. with the ships exchanging broadsides. Losing her heavy artillery early on, Richard was vulnerable to the heavily armed Serapis. Recognizing the inevitable British victory, Pearson called on Jones to surrender, to which Jones replied, "I have not yet begun to fight." Managing to lash the ships together, Jones's crew of Marines and Navy marksmen began clearing the Serapis deck. After hours of fighting, a Richard sailor dropped the grenade down through an open hatch into Serapis's gun deck, setting off a chain reaction that exploded down the length of the deck. Pearson called for quarters. Due to damage, the Richard was lost, but Jones took claim to the Serapis. Considered the father of the U.S. Navy, John Paul Jones's influence and leadership were foundational in the establishment of the Navy. His corporal remains were interred into a crypt beneath the Naval Academy in 1906.